I don't know what's worst. That you are the father, or from now on, she has to be part of this family. I don't get you.
What do you mean?
You have a beautiful wife. She's willing to give you the world. Even takes in your bastard child. Somehow you mess it up all. At some point, you have to stop blaming Dad for all your problems. Mukoma, munofana kukura and live your life. If he's such a monster, why stay? You have to leave.
Now I can. Now I can. Now that you're all grown up, you're going to have your own child soon. Now I can.
What's your beef with Dad got to do with me? Tell me.
Nothing.
No, tell me.
Did I ever tell you how I lost hearing in my right ear?
Right,
I didn't know. I didn't know. Sydney, I didn't know. Why didn't you tell me? Why? You should have told me. You should have told me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, my boy. I'm sorry, my boy. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry, Papa. Anisha.
You don't deserve him. You don't deserve him at all. It's all your fault.
Anisha, please.
Imagine the trauma that he's gone through. All the pain that he's gone through. To decide to withdraw from the rest of the world. It's all because of you.
The doctor said he needs to conduct more tests. He's not sure.
But I'm sure. I am 100% sure. I was there. Through the beatings, whilst I was pregnant, afterwards, and he saw everything. I know it's you.
Even if... Even if it's me, it's in the past.
Obviously, it's not in the past. Look at him. He's decided not to speak now. Not to crawl now.
If we love each other, show him that we can love each other. Show him that he's in safe hands. Then maybe he'll come out of his shell.
Or maybe I should simply take him away from you.
Anisha, don't do that. Anisha, please don't do that.
Mama, this year,
come on, do you know what time it is? What's happening?
So what dear? One of my own, talk to me. What's happening?
Makoresa and I think Mkoma Sydney Mboku. Asindima kajoti vaite rombe so. Taza ukaza upenyu wako.
What are you talking about?
Wakawaponda zvinezva vachanzwa. Madam Durai.
What?
I told you.
Told you about what?
The day I lost my hearing.
Ah, come on, man, Sydney. Eh? No, man, Sydney. Yeah? What do you mean? Just like you for? What do you guys do? I'm going to take a secret. I want to take a secret. Ah, stupid, man.
I didn't want to tell you.
So what happened?
It's not his fault. Take a row in him cut.
Baby, what really happened to you losing your hearing?
It's his fault. All of us being broken.
Okay. Yeah. No, look, Mary. Let's talk about this tomorrow, when everyone have calmed down. As for the moment, we don't want to play.
That's nothing to do.
Mate, it's calm down, okay?